In this class of polynomials, let's understand factorization. First, let us learn the factor theorem. The statement of the factor theorem is as follows. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n which is greater than or equal to 1 and a is a real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. Let us prove this by using remainder theorem. So according to the statement, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So as we know, p of x, g of x is equal to x minus a into q of x plus r of x. So as they have given x minus a is a factor, then x minus a is equal to 0, x equal to a. Let us substitute the value of x in the given equation. P of x equal to a minus a into q of x plus r of x. A minus a gives 0. 0 into any number 0. So 0 plus r of x. Therefore p of x is equal to r of x. The remainder will be the polynomial. Therefore, if it gives us the answer or the value 0, then it is a factor. Let us understand this theorem with the help of an example. So the question will be, examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Let us apply the remainder theorem, and if the value of this is equal to 0, then definitely it will be the factor of this. Let us check. X plus 2 is equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 2. So let us substitute in this p of x, which is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, p of minus 2. So minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. So we know that minus 2 cube will give us minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square gives us plus 4 plus into minus gives minus 5 to the 10 plus 6 minus 8 plus 12 minus 10 plus 6 minus 8 minus 10 gives us minus 18 plus 6 plus 12 gives us plus 18 minus 18 plus 18 gives us 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So if the value is equal to 0, then we can tell that yes, x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Next type of question. Let us find the value of k. If x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. So we have to find the value of k where it is already given that it is a factor. And we know that if it is already a factor, we have to get this p of x must be equal to 0. So what is p of x? 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k will be equal to 0. What is the factor? X minus 1. So let us find the value of x. Minus 1 goes to the right side, becomes plus 1. So when we substitute in this 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. 1 cube gives us 1, 1 4 is 4, 1 square is 1, 1 3 is 3, equal to 0. 4 plus 3 gives us 7, 7 minus 4 gives us 3. Or we can also cancel these two, we'll get 0, 0 plus 3 gives us 3, 3 plus k is equal to 0, plus 3 goes to the right side, becomes minus 3. What is the meaning of the answer? If I substitute the value of k as minus 3 in the given polynomial, then x minus 1 divides it completely, means the remainder will be 0 if k value is minus 3. Now this was with the factorization. Let us learn how to factorize the given polynomial by using the method of splitting the middle term. Let us take an example. Factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5 by splitting the middle term. Or if they directly ask you to factorize it, you can also use this method to find the two factors. Why will we get two factors? Because the degree of the polynomial is 2. The highest exponent is 2, so we will have two factors. How we will start? Understand it carefully that basically when we get a question, you have to write it in the standard form. You know how to write it in the standard form? X to the power 2, x to the power 1, x to the power 0. And if x to the power 0, it gives us 1, so we don't write anything there. 5 will be the constant term. Then the step number 2, multiply the first and last term. 6 5 is 30, it will be 30x square. You have to write the factors of x square, that is 30x square. What are the different factors of 30x square? If you find the factors of 30, in which all table 30 appears? 30 appears in 1 table, 2 table, 3, and it appears in 5 table, 6 table, and it appears in 10 table, it appears in 15 table. So we have to find two factors. On adding these two, we have to get 17x, that 2 plus 17x. On multiplying, we have to get 30x square. Means AB must give us 30x square. A plus B has to give us 17x. So we have to search such factors. So we already know 15 2s up. So it is plus 30, both has to be same sign. If it is plus, both has to be of same sign. If it is minus, both should be of different sign. And the greater number should carry the sign which is in the middle term. For example, now it is plus and it is also plus. If it is plus, both will be plus. Plus into plus plus, 15 2s are 30, x into x, x square. So instead of 17x, we will write these two terms. 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5, which is equal to 0. Now let us underline the first two terms and the next two terms. What is common between these two? This is factorization of two terms. So as we know, 3 divides 6 as well as 15. So 3 is common. X divides both of these, so 3x. So if we take out 3x from 6x square, what remains? So we get that it will be 2x, because 3x into 2x gives us 6x square. Plus into plus plus, 3 5s are 15. X is taken out, so it will be 2x plus 5. So after multiplying these two, we have to get the same terms. 3x into 2x, 6x square, 3x into 5, 15x. What is common in these two? If there is no number common, we can take 1 as common. So if 1 is taken out, 2x plus 5 remains the same. So again you can see 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5 are common. You can take them out, 2x plus 5. What remains here? 3x. What remains here? Plus 1. So these two are the factors. So if we are solving, we can use it equal to 0, or just you can take as 2x plus 5 and 3x plus 1 are the factors of 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Let us find or the factorize by splitting middle term with another example. So 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Factorize. So let us see whether it is written in the standard form. X square, x to the power 1, x to the power 0. Yes, it is in the standard form. Next step, you have to multiply the first and last term. 12x square into 1 gives plus 12x square. As it is plus, I told you both should be of same sign. Which sign they will carry? They have to carry the sign which is in middle term. So both should be negative. Minus into minus gives plus. So you have to find the factors of 12. So 12 is present in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. So let us find the numbers. On adding, we have to get 7 On multiplying we have to get 12. 1 12s are 12, but 1 plus 12 gives 11, or 13. 1 minus 12 gives minus 11. So 11 is not the answer here. 2 6 are 12, correct. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. So it is not possible. 3 4s are. What is 3 4s are? 3 4s are 12. 3 plus 4 gives us 7. So the factors are 3x and 4x. So let us write these two terms or these two factors instead of minus 7x. So it becomes 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. Again underline the first two terms and the next two terms. So common is 3x. So if we take out 3x from this, 3 4s are 12. X into x, x square, minus 3x is already taken out. What remains? 1. So 3x into minus 1 minus 3x. So what is common here? Nothing. So let us take it as minus 1. So what remains? 4x minus 1. Again 4x minus 1 is common. 4x minus 1 if we take out, remains 3x minus 1. So we can tell that these are the two factors of the given polynomial.